Salut et bonjour. Hello and good day. Je m'appelle Arpita Garg. My name is Arpita Garg. Et bienvenue à Gateway to French. And welcome to Gateway to French. You must have noticed that in the beginning, I used words like salut, bonjour, etc. What are these? These are the words used in French by the people to initiate conversations. So today, we will learn about some of these words or greetings which are known as les salutations. Salutation from the English word salutation means greetings which are used by the people to greet each other. Okay, so let us start. The first most common salutation among the French people is bonjour. I know some of you must be aware of it also, right? So in bonjour, bon means good and jour means day. So if you have to wish someone good day in French, how will you say it? Bonjour. Répétez. Bonjour. Very good. The next common salutation is salut, not salute. T will be silent, right? So salut. Salut means hi or hello. Okay. Now, in English, if you have to ask someone, how are you? You say no, how are you? So in French, how do you say so? It is comment ça va? What is it? Comment ça va? Repeat after me. Comment ça va? Très bien. So comment ça va means how are you? Comment ça va is used for the informal situation. But if you have a formal situation where there are a group of people or someone in the formal one, then how will you say it? Comment allez-vous? Répétez. Comment allez-vous? Okay, très bien. So, if you ask someone, how are you? How will they reply? They will reply either I am good or I am bad, right? So, in French, what is the reply given? Ça va bien means I'm good. Ça va mal means I'm not good. And ça va comme ça means I'm okay. Okay. So what are the three replies? What are the three possible replies I can say? Ça va bien. Répétez. Ça va bien means I'm good. Ça va mal means I'm not good. And ça va comme ça. What is it? Comme ça. Okay. So what did we just learn? The common salutations. Bonjour. Repeat after me. Bonjour. Salut. Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? Ça va bien? Ça va mal? Ça va comme ça. Très bien. Now, we will study some of the greetings which are used by the French people at different times of the day or on different occasions. Okay. The first one is Bon après-midi. Répétez. Bon après-midi. Après-midi means afternoon and bon means good. So, if you have to wish someone good afternoon in French, how will you do? What will you say? Bon après-midi. Répétez après moi. Bon après-midi. Very good. The next one is bonsoir. What is it? Bonsoir. So just remember, in French, the sound of OI is ba. So what is it? Soir. Okay. So bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. Bo means good and soir means evening. So what is it? Good evening. Okay. The next one is bonne nuit. What is it? Bonne nuit. Repeat after me. Okay. So you will also get it. What is it? Bonne nuit. You can very easily make it out that nuit means night. So if you have to wish someone good night in French, how will you say? Bonne nuit. Très bien. The next one is bon voyage. Répétez. Bon voyage. Voyage means journey. It is an English word. Hai na? So bon voyage means happy journey. So if you have to wish someone a happy journey in French, how will you wish? Bon voyage. Very good. Excellent. The next greeting is Bon appétit. Repeat. Bon appétit. Again, appétit word is from the English word appetite. Appetite means diet. है ना? So if you have to wish someone have a nice meal, how will you say? Bon appétit. Repete. Bon appétit. Très bien. The next greeting is bonne chance. What is it? Bonne chance. Bonne chance means good luck. So if someone is going for an exam or anything and you have to wish him or her a good luck, what will you say? Bonne chance. Repete. Bonne chance. Très bien. The next one is bon anniversaire. Listen again. Bon anniversaire. Repeat. Bon anniversaire. Très bien. Bon anniversaire means a happy birthday. So, if you have to wish someone a happy birthday in French, how will you? You will say bon anniversaire. Very good. And the last greeting is Felicitation. Just as in the beginning we said no, salutation. In the same way, Felicitation. Felicitation means congratulations. So if you have to congratulate someone, what will you say? Felicitation. Very good. Excellent. The next one is when someone is leaving, then how will you greet him or her? Okay. The first one is in English, we say no, bye bye. So how do we say bye bye in French? It is au revoir. Listen again. Au revoir. Okay? Au revoir. Very good. The next one is à demain. À demain means see you tomorrow. Repeat after me. À demain. Very good. The next one is à bientôt. Once again, à bientôt. À bientôt means see you soon. So if you have to say someone, see you soon, how will you say in French? À bientôt. Excellent. The next one is à plus tard. Not à plus tard. D will not be pronounced. What it will be? À plus tard. And what does it mean? See you later. Okay. And the last one is à tout à l'heure. Recall? À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure means see you very soon. Okay. So these were the French greetings when someone is leaving. Right? Now, having learned the various greetings in French, we will now practice a basic conversation between a French boy and a French girl. The conversation begins with Paul. What does Paul say? He says, Salut Valerie. Salut means hello. So Paul says, hello Valerie. Valerie replies, Bonjour Paul. Bonjour means good day. Good day Paul. So Paul asks, Como ça va? Means how are you? Valerie replies, Ça va bien. Ça va bien means I'm good. Et toi? Now in French, A, et is A and it means and. So Valerie replies, I am good. And you? What about you? Paul says, Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien means I am good. Merci means thank you. Now, this is again a very important expression in French. If you have to say thank you to someone, how do you say it? Merci. So Paul replies, Ça va bien, merci. Qu'est-ce que tu manges? Now he sees that Valerie is eating something. So he asks, What are you eating? So at this point of time, you just have to understand that manger means to eat in French. Okay. These verbs we will study in our future videos, upcoming videos. But for now, just remember that manger means to eat. So Paul asks, Qu'est-ce que tu manges? Means, what are you eating? So Valerie replies, Je mange une orange. Means, I am eating an orange. Then Paul says, Très bien. I keep on saying, no, très bien. Très bien means very well. Okay. Then Valerie says, Je dois partir, au revoir. Means, I have to go, bye-bye. We just now learned that bye-bye means au revoir in French. So she says, I have to go, au revoir, bye-bye. So Paul replies, Or a verb. Valerie, à bientôt means bye bye Valerie. See you soon. Okay. So that was all for today. If you liked the video, do tell me in the comment section. And also, if you have any doubts and queries related to what was taught in today's video, you can also clear them in the comment section. For online French tuitions, you can mail us on the mail ID shown on the screen. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for our more upcoming videos. À bientôt.